This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Margot McFarland. Wonderful condo in move-in condition with an open floor plan, updated kitchen with granite and stainless steel appliances, hardwood floors in common rooms, lots of storage, primary bedroom with tray ceiling and ensuite with double vanity. This unit is pristine. Upgraded carpet and padding in bedrooms, lovely screened porch wired for TV, ceiling fans throughout and super low utilities. Electric runs $70 in the winter, $50 in the summer. HRUBS runs $40, $60. This waterfront community boasts a clubhouse with exercise room, pool, marina with kayak/canoe access, walking trails with wooded and water views, and easy access to the bay. For more information, review the details below.